So after we create an Xcontrol, we can use it in a VI just as we can use a built-in LabVIEW control or indicator. The benefit is that when we use an Xcontrol in a VI, the block diagram for that VI is simplified because the Xcontrol includes the behavior of the control. We can place an Xcontrol on the front panel of a VI. Simply by dragging and dropping. We can click and select a control icon on the controls palette and navigate to the Xcontrol that we want to place on the front panel. When we place an Xcontrol on the front panel, LabVIEW loads the Xcontrol library. LabVIEW locks the Xcontrol library while the Xcontrol is in use by a VI. We must unlock the Xcontrol library if we need to edit it while the Xcontrol is in use by a VI. The library is locked for following reasons. A VI in the library is reserved in this application instance or another application instance. And as you can see, the control is now in a broken state. Xcontrol, calculator Xcontrol is disconnected. The Xcontrol library is currently disconnected from the Xcontrol. The Xcontrol is unlocked for editing. To correct this error, right-click the Xcontrol library and select Apply Changes to Instances from the shortcut menu. And only then it will be locked and the control will be usable again. After we add an Xcontrol to the VI, we can use it just as we would a built-in LabVIEW control or indicator. So we can change to indicator or change to control. We can resize the Xcontrol as a whole to fit the front panel if it is of course allowed to do that. Some controls are not meant to be resized. This one is not. We can access the custom and built-in menu items for the control if it has those menus programmatically placed. We also can programmatically configure the Xcontrol through the custom properties and methods implemented in the control, if such is the case. So let's go to the block diagram, and here is our control. So let's place it in a while loop. Let's add a stop button, and let's add a small wait time. Let's say 100 millisecond. Let's add an indicator. Let's add a simple numeric indicator. To display the results of the calculation. So let's go and just run it. As you can see, the results are here being shown, and then the indicator, you can set the precision, set the format, and we have lots of built-in functionalities all contained in the control. So let's have a look at another example. This one includes some properties and methods as well. So let's have a new VI. Let's drag the control over here. Let's go to the block diagram, right click, go to the properties, go to the bottom where its property Fahrenheit mode is available, this one, and for method, create invoke node and go to the bottom, and we have this method, this one, available. Create an indicator. Let's convert, let's say, so let's convert to 0 degree to Fahrenheit, which is 32. And the Fahrenheit mode is now turned on, and we can also place it as a indicator and connect the two. Let's convert, let's put this one into Fahrenheit. So this is how we can use these X controls.